Hi everyone, I'm going to be reviewing another item that I purchased to go on my cruise. Instead of just putting your medication in like Ziploc bags or just throwing the whole entire bottle in your suitcase, I purchased this item. Open it just like this, and it has these little compartments, and each one opens up and it snaps really well in a little bigger spot. And this really closes well. It comes in other colors in case you want like a manly color. Along with that, you get these stickers. That way you know like exactly what you put in there. And the stickers are like really cute. They look exactly like the item. And got like all different ones. So whatever you want to put in there, you can just go ahead and put it on there, Pepto. These are really cute. Let's see if they stick. Let's see. I'm going to go ahead and do the leave because I use a leave. So we'll go ahead and it peels off really well. That's nice. And let's see. Go ahead. That's the way it would look. It seems to stick on there really well. I'll go ahead and leave a link to the item in the pinned comments in case you'd like to go ahead and order the same one for yourself. There's also another size that's just a little bit bigger in case you have more items you want to bring with you. So thank you so much for watching my video today. I really appreciate your time. If you liked the video, maybe you could give me a like or a subscribe. So thank you so much and have a wonderful day.